Hey everyone, it's Andrew here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use custom fields within your forms and surveys in order to capture opportunity-related information so you can better track and manage your leads within your pipelines. This video can be useful to you if you're selling digital or physical products and services. At any point in your sales process, you're using a form or a survey to collect lead information in order to better market your product or service. To get started, we're going to go ahead and go to Sites, and then head to Forms, and we're going to select any of our forms that we're currently operating out of. You can do this in a new form or an old form. Now, previously within forms and surveys, if you clicked plus and then you clicked custom fields, you wouldn't have seen this little UI. This is here so you can sort your custom fields by contact related fields, which are ones where the information will go into the contact, general info, or additional info sections, or opportunity related custom fields, which as you can see, there's none right here. Now in my scenario, I'm currently collecting name, email, and phone, which is pretty standard for a form, but I want to further qualify the people that are filling out this form so I can get higher quality leads within my pipeline. And how I'm going to do that is through an opportunity-specific custom field. Now, when you click Add, this section may look very similar. We're going to make a quick single-line custom field in order to ask our customers for relevant business information like what their current revenue is at. Make sure you give your field a title and you select the object as opportunity. Once you do that, you can select opportunity details as the group, and then you can hit save. After a second, it'll pop up here under custom fields, opportunity, and we can see opportunity details. Here's the field we just made. And now if we throw this in the form, you can see what's really cool about these new fields. If I go ahead and click this field, I'm going to immediately get this little pop-up that asks me where do I want my opportunity to be updated. Now, what this allows us to do is essentially run automations right within the forms without having to do anything extra. So since we're qualifying new leads, we're going to select our primary pipeline, and then we're going to select the stage that we want to put them in. We're going to put them in the send video sales letter stage, and then increase the opportunity value to any set amount. These custom fields also allow us to create a brand new pipeline. Then what's going to happen is it's going to open up a brand new page where we can create a new pipeline right within the form builder in case we forget that we need to make a new one. Now, back in our form builder, we're just going to keep it in our primary pipeline. We're going to hit save. And then if you ever want to see that screen again, you just click the field and then click edit opportunity settings, and you'll be able to see that again. We're going to hit save, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how this works in action. As you can see, here's our pipeline with nobody in the send VSL stage. We're going to go ahead and preview this form, fill it out, and then submit it. Now, since we have that opportunity-based custom field, if we go back to our pipeline and then refresh, we will see that contact within the send VSL stage, as you see right here. Keep in mind, there were no automations for this form specifically. That was all ran directly within the form builder. So now we have our contact within our pipeline without having to do anything extra. If you click the contact within your opportunity, you'll see under contact details, the opportunity source is labeled as a form, and it will also show you what that customer filled out for that question we asked through the opportunity custom field. This is honestly one of my favorite updates because before now, if you wanted to create a form and have a customer fill it out and then go into the opportunities or into your pipeline, you'd have to create an automation in order to designate what the value was, which pipeline it went into, which stage, and all that sort of information. But now you can do it directly within the form builder, which is super handy, and I personally love it. If you have any questions about this feature, then drop a comment. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.